Nothing like getting some airtime while you're out here, Glamis. Now, you talk about taking it to the next level. This is it right here. Nothing like having a motor strapped to your back with a propeller on it.
Imagine if you have long hair.
You're not going to see this kind of stuff sitting on your couch at home. That's why we go to the outdoors.